Alright. Okay, let's get started drawing Raven. So I'm going to start at the top of her head. She's got her cloak on, so I'm going to kind of come down like this. It's going to be the side. And then we're going to come back this. And then we make a big curve underneath. And then the back little point kind of does that. And then the front is like a big V. And then it kind of curves that way and that way. And then a curve up. And then I'm going to take a smaller pen and do a straight line across like that. That's going to be the top of her eyes, and then little half circles, little half circle, and then the eyeball is going to be here, more half circles, and then we're going to kind of fill in a little bit, not the whole thing, because you have to leave the little white spot there. And then for her mouth part, you're going to kind of come like this, a big frowny, follow it underneath like that. You're going to make a triangle here, and then her little frown. She kind of looks like a puppy dog right now. But then we're going to come back with our black marker and fill in all of this. It'll make a little bit more sense as we fill this in. Fill this all in, blacks inside of her cloak. It'll probably start to look a little bit more like Raven. You could also fill this black part in at the very end, but I wanted to kind of show you how it's looking. So then, for her body, just kind of come down. We're just going to do a real simple, it's almost a cone-shaped triangle. Curve like that. Her little pendant that she wears is that. Let's do that. A couple curves. And you can put a little shadow. And then you can color it. Hey guys, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and hit a like down there for me, or subscribe. And if there's anything you would like to see me draw, just leave a comment and I'll get right to it and give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.